Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720, and today we're going to be reviewing this 8.5 by 16 white with blackout stage trailer. As we can see here in the front, we have a standard jack and safety chains, coupler, breakaway cable, and trailer light connector. There's also a breakaway box. This trailer also comes with an extended tongue and a generator platform. The trailer also has 4 jacks, one on each corner for extra stability. The trailer also comes with 2 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires, and the axles are regreasable. And coming to the back, we have a license plate bracket and license plate light. This trailer has LED brake lights, and this trailer also comes with a Bluetooth backup camera. And coming around, you can see there's a 12-foot, 6-inch integrated stage with foldable side railings. There's also 4 jacks on the stage for extra stability. And locking the stage, there are 2 RV style locks. This trailer also comes with a charging port. Coming around, there's a 32-inch entry door with 2 steps. There's also a screen door. Coming inside, there's a battery, a trailer. This is the winch control. Here's the 50 amp power converter. And right above, there's the breaker. And there's also electrical outlets. Beside, there's also another 32-inch entry door. And coming inside, next to the door are the switches for 2 of the dome lights. In the center, we have our winch. And there are also more outlets. This room is also insulated to protect any materials inside. And if y'all have any more questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you and have a great day.